Use 720p for better image quality. SPM 150 words essay 32 pros and cons. Making the most of online shopping. Sarawak 2021 SPM Trial exam question. You and your friends have been discussing the pros and cons of online shopping. Your teacher has asked you to write an essay on how to make the most of online shopping. In your essay, you should write about the pros of online shopping, the cons of online shopping, the tips for making the most of online shopping. Write your essay using all the notes and giving reasons for your point of view. Essay is written by Mr. Sritharan A, L. Arumugam, B.Ed. TESL, Universiti Putra, Malaysia. Certified English Teacher. Email srihero@gmail.com. Please give generous donation to my CIMB Bank Berhad account 7027996813 under my name. Thank you. Making the most of online shopping. Online shopping presents unparalleled convenience, offering access to a wide array of products anytime, anywhere, and facilitating informed decisions through reviews and price comparisons. However, it also poses challenges such as the inability to physically inspect items before purchase, delivery delays, and potential fraudulent activities. To optimize online shopping, certain strategies prove invaluable. Thorough research, including reading reviews and understanding return policies, is crucial. Shopping from reputable sites and using secure payment methods minimizes risks. Subscribing to alerts for discounts and consolidating purchases to save on shipping costs are prudent cost-saving measures. In conclusion, while online shopping offers convenience, cautiousness is imperative. By conducting thorough research, using secure methods, and adopting cost-saving strategies, individuals can navigate the drawbacks effectively, ensuring a rewarding online shopping experience.